Now, inkampani yabalimi abaziwa ngokuthi ke ama-Cloppers farmers bagqugquzela abantu abamnyama ke noma ke nje abantu kuba bangene ke emkhakheni wezolimo njengoba bethi ke lo mkhakha ubalekile kakhulu eqinisekiseni ukuthi ke ukudla kukhona njalo kulo ke izwe laseNingizimu Afrika. uMr B Simcox uvela kuyona ke lenkampani kanti kukhona kuluhlelo lethu ukukhuluma kabanzi ngayo ke lenkampani kanjalo ke namathuba abanawo njengoba beveza ukuthi ke bayafuna kakhulu ukuthi ke abantu bangene kuna ke lo mkhakha. Angikubingelele mbukeli igama lami nguSimangeli Sibongo sami ngwakachirwa ubukela uhlelo iKaiZer's News Talk. Balekile kakhulu ke mbukeli ukuthi uyingxenye yalo hlelo kungakho sigqugquzela ukuthi usebenzise inkundla zethu zokuxhumana ukuba ingxenye yalo ke lolu hlelo kuyona ke uFacebook is KaiZer's News Talk and on X we are KaiZer's News Talk. Your view is of importance, which is why we encourage you to engage with us on our social media pages so that you can be able to ask your questions on our guest tonight, which is Mr. B Simcox, who is of course coming from the Cloppers Farmers Company. Mr. Simcox, such a great pleasure to have you on the show tonight. Welcome.
Pleasure to be here. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you talk about agriculture, you talk about livestock, you talk about the importance of it. Why is it important in our country, especially in this day and age?
It's very, very important because people need to eat for a start, and if we can draw on one of the wealths of South Africa, that is definitely farming, whether it be like livestock or whether it be crops and that type of thing. Not only that, it's an instrument in providing employment for people.
Yeah.
It's an instrument for import-export. So, yeah, agriculture is imperative.
And looking at the numbers of the farmers that we have in our country, particularly young people, do you think we've got enough farmers in our country?
I think that the farmers that we have need to be nurtured all across all races, and I think that if a mutually beneficial arrangement can be made so that the existing farmers with experience and the new up-and-coming farmers can also benefit.
If you can maybe expand more on the mutual agreement that you're talking about, that if it can't be reached, and I'm assuming that you're talking about government as well as you,
included,
as farmers. What sort of mutual agreement are you talking about?
Well, when I say mutual, I'm talking about mutually beneficial.
Yeah.
So everybody must benefit, because if somebody's at like losing in the deal, it's exploitation, isn't it? And I think it's about the heart and values. I think if your motivation is for everybody to benefit, I like win-win. A number of years ago, my friend had a business that was in trouble, and I went in there. I spent some time trying to give him feedback, but I didn't have enough time to allocate to the business, but I managed to sell the business for him. I was instrumental in getting him out of a lease, which he would have bound to be lose money for another year and a half, or he would have had to close his doors. He'd put up his business and his house as surety for it. At the end of the day, I sold open cards, so that the person we sold to knew what he was in for, where he stood with everything. He benefited from it. The lease wasn't compromised. A new lease was signed. My friend got out of that lease. He stopped losing money, and I benefited as well because he paid me something.
Okay.
So I like win-win.
Do you have any partnership with government currently?
Not personally, no.
No. I'm referring to you as the company
group
that you're representing. No. And are there any plans, maybe in future, like you're saying, if there can be a mutual agreement, are there any plans maybe to work in partnership with government?
I'm referred to as a senior representative, so I'm not an ultimate decision maker in decisions like that.
Okay.
But I think that I would speculate that if we can find the people with the right heart, truly right heart, not talk, truly the right heart, that are willing to produce the goods and really do care about the people, I don't see it being a problem.
Let's talk about what you at Cloppers Farmers do.
What I do personally?
No, not personally.
Yeah?
Cloppers
Farmers.
Okay.
Okay, I thought you meant for Cloppers Farmers. Okay.
Yeah.
Look, like I've mentioned to you in our previous conversation, our mission and our vision is to a large extent about empowering people. I've been interested in investments and that type of thing for many years, and it's been a big part of my personal goal to be a positive instrument in other people's lives. And I was on the verge of getting into like financial advisory and that type of thing. But I always felt that better returns could be got for the people. And what Cloppers Farmers Group offers is phenomenal returns in a very short space of time.
Okay.
And is relatively risk-free.
Okay.
And you don't have to be an expert in livestock to get involved.
Take us through that.
Okay. Well, if we can tap on other investments, or with all due respect to other investments, if you look at a fixed deposit, you're probably going to get 6 to 9%, depending on the arrangement. You can make more money than that on the share market. Okay, but you've got to know what you're doing, and it's high risk. You can also lose a lot, so there's no guarantee. A good unit trust, if you're doing very, very well, you can get 22 to 20% per annum return on investment. Property, you can get decent return, but again, it fluctuates. Klopper's Farmers Group offers like up to 100%. So that's doubling your money, or almost doubling your money in 2 to 3 months. It's phenomenal. Not only that, they're specific about the amounts that you can invest. We can fit in your budget from as little as purchasing a baby goat for
Really?
1,500 rand, up to a Kruin horse for 1.1 million rand.
Okay. And do you have farmers that you're working with, especially in the province of KwaZulu-Natal, or this is something that you are planning on starting?
Like I said, I'm not at that decision-making level. However, the Klopper's Farmers Group, what they do is we get investments from people. They invest in livestock, like farm animals, that type of thing, but also game animals, kudu, that type of thing, buffalo, horses. And what Klopper's Farmers Group does is they auction it off.
Okay.
Okay, so it's not specifically involved with the farmers as such, except when it comes to purchasing.
Okay. And how important is this sector, and especially when you're looking at our economy and you're looking at the issue of unemployment? And I like that you did touch on the issue of unemployment and also wanting to address that with the initiatives that you have from the Klopper's company.
Getting back to my previous statement about empowering people, if we can empower farmers, the farming industry grows, okay, it means more jobs are created. So definitely an instrument to combat unemployment, definitely.
And there is that concern, you know, that general concern from the public that maybe in the near future we would find ourselves as a country where we are faced with a shortage of meat, you know, and other agricultural, items. Do you think we should be worried about that, or, you know, looking at the numbers of the farmers that we have?
Worry is maybe not the right word, but definitely concerned and definitely being proactive, okay, about taking whatever means are necessary. And that is to nurture our farmers, to encourage them and value, not be against them, and to nurture upcoming farmers.
And you've got upcoming farmers that you have already maybe empowered?
Well, yeah, in terms of our investments, we've got something like 2,000 something people that have invested already.
And how long have you been operating as a company?
Since 2021.
Okay. And for those people, the viewers who are watching the show right now, Mr. Simkos, and they want maybe to get more information on what you do, like you were mentioning some of the benefits that you offer as a company, how do they, engage with you? Are you available on the social media where they can maybe go? You've got a website where they can maybe go and then get more information, and also the numbers, if maybe you've got and you're free to share them with our viewers at home.
That's no problem at all. They can phone me personally, okay? I don't know if I must give my cell phone number, if that'll appear on the screen, so whatever's appropriate. But also we've got a website, www.kloppers, that's KLOPPERS.farm, F-A-R-M.
Okay, and how important it is that they engage with you, especially in light of the benefits that you were just outlining that you are offering as a company for the benefits of the viewer at home, maybe who may take it lightly to contact or engage with you.
They must feel free. We're here to help. That's a big part of our primary motivation, myself and my fellow representatives. It's not just about us. And if they have questions, they can ask us directly. And if they're uncertain, if there is uncertainty, they must feel free to ask questions. Okay. We want to make them feel at ease.
Mr. Simkos, thank you so much for your time that you gave us here on the show. It was such a great pleasure to have you on the show.
My pleasure to be here, ma'am.
Sizohamba ke sothenga samukele KZN News Talk mangabe sibuya sobe singena nomunye ke umlimi kuloko uhlelo lethu KZN News Talk. Now iningi labafuyi sakuthola kunzima ukuthi ke lingene kumkhakha we-livestock farming ngenxa ke ukuthi ke bakhala ngokuthi ke kumba eqolo ukungena ke kona ke lo mkhakha nokukholela ekutheni ke gcine ke incane kakhulu inombolo yabantu ke abakhona kuwo ke lo mkhakha kanti ke inkampani yabalimi yazwa ukuthi ke i-Cloppers Farming isike yona yabalekelela abalimi abafuna ukungena kulo mkhakha kakhulukazi ke abafuna ukugxila kakhulu kukhona ke ukufuya ukuthi ke kube nzima kube lula ukungena kona ke lo mkhakha nawo uqonda ukuthi ke bakwenza kanjani lokho ukuthi kube lula kulo-ke uhlelo lethu sanjelo yena-ke oyi-investor kuyona-ke le nkampani okuyena-ke uMr Triton Zulu ovela kuyona-ke inkampani i-Cloppers Farming. Angikubingelele mbukeli igama lami nguSimangeli Sibongo sami ngwakachirwa ubukela uhlelo i-Catering News Talk angigqugquzeleke mbukeli bayingxenye yaloke lolu hlelo elibalekile kakhulu kuloke usuku namhlanje ikakhulukazi mazobheka ke ukubaleka komkhakha esikhuluma ngawo kuwona ke umkhakha wokufuya kuloke izwe lethu laseningizimu Afrika asiphinde futhi igqugquzele ukuthi usebenzise inkundla zethu zokuxhumana ukudlulisa ke nje ukuphala kwakho kusona ke isihambeli sethu sikhona ke kuloke uhlelo lethu sixhumana so ke ngabo ke ubuxhaka phecelezi ke uZoom okuyena ke uMr Triton ku Facebook isuyena uCatering News Talk kanti na ku X siphinde futhi uyena uCatering News Talk uvela kumbukeli lubalekile kakhulu kuloke nje uhlelo lethu Mr Triton kuyintokozo enkulu ukuthi sibe nawo kuCatering News Talk.
Ngiyajabula ngiyathokoza ukuthi ngibe nani la ku 1KZN TV.
Umkhakha esikhuluma ngawo Mr Triton umkhakha obalekile kakhulu mangabe uzobheka umnotho wale izwe laseningizimu Afrika uphinde ubheke futhi nasekutheni unamandla ekusuka kakhulu ekutheni ungakwazi ukuthi udale amathuba omsebenzi but akubonakala kuyinkinga enkulu ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukuthi bangene kuona lo mkhakha akisibheke ukuthi iziphi ingqinamba what are the challenges that are hindering upcoming farmers to grow on this sector which is livestock farming.
Okay, ama challenges akhona asekuthenini ukuthi right especially okay ningolela ababukeli be1KZN TV zomixa isiZulu nesingisi senzela nani labanye ababukeli ukuze bakwazi ukuthi bas-understand okay ama challenges akhona asekuthenini ukuthi no it is not difficult to become a livestock farmer. Lapha Cloppers actually uqala ngani ngemali encane ukwenza ukuthi ube an investor wakhona qala from 1,500 up to 110,000 going up to 300,000 depending of ukuthi which animal ofuna ukuyithenga right so see ulula ukungena la kwa livestock kwa Cloppers Farmers Group. In fact abantu baka Cloppers Farmers Group bayakulekelela ekuthenini ukuthi uzofika ungene ku-website yabo www.cloppers.farm ungene and then uregister ube yimember yakhona and then once you become a member yakhona and then you can be able to select ukuthi yiphi animal ofuna ukungena kuyo ofuna uku-investa kuyo khona inkomo sikhona iy'klabhu sikhona amakudu khona ama-buffalo khona ama-Braham cattle it depends ukuthi nani nokuthi nali iphakathi lakho lime kanjani and then once you are registered uzothola ama-messages kuphuma email zakho nama-SMS zakho okay congratulations you have now become part of Cloppers Farmers Group. Then uzothola namanye ama-forms azothi you need to fill up those forms khona lapho ku-internet. After filling up those forms and then you resubmit those forms and then once those forms are back bona then-ke usungakhona-ke manje ukuthi ukhona uku-investa and then i-investment yakho indlela esebenza ngayo you need to wait at least wait a period of 2 months. Mina I invested ngani ngeBuffalo. It's like a 55K. So if Buffalo ngathola uba 110 after 2 months. So if i-process yakhona ilula and nokuthi phela they do most of the things for you. Info yakho they take care of it by Jova, kuma farms abo sibayinakekela and so forth and so on.
And from my understanding, you did mention ekuqaleni, Mr. Chitani, ukuthi some of the challenges that upcoming farmers, but particularly with livestock, ababhekana nawo naholela ekuthenini bagcine bengakwazi ukuthi baqhubeke kulo mkhakha is the issue of iplaza now, they don't have iplaza. And now you are coming in as Kloophas to make it easy for them to say, here is a place where you can actually do investment. We've got everything ready for you. All you need to do is just to bring your capital, and then you become an investor, and in that way you become a livestock farmer.
Kunjalo siswami, kunjalo, as easy as that, as easy as that. And again, sibona see they do everything for you. Like see they take care of everything. Like for Nela, and then back okay. Investment yakho ifime kanjani, imfuyo yakho injani. So you keep on getting updates on daily basis, on weekly basis. You will never go wrong with farming, because besebona abantu from the way mina personal as an investor ngababu endlela engibabuka ngayo. These people basically basebenzana no McDonald's, they're providing meat all over the world.
Okay.
They're providing bigger pets. These other companies, yeah, they're Biltong, things like that. So that is how so they're able to generate imali nama investments akhona.
I think the information you share, Mr. Tritin, ibalulekile kakhulu, in especially when you're saying ukuthi part of what you do as Kloophas is to ensure that you update the investor on each and everything that happens kuyona isilwane sakhe mangabe esuke efakile imali yakhe, because uyacabanga nje ukuthi Mr. Tritin mawukuthi mhlambe ngifake imali ngithenge inkomo yami, I would want to know uma ukuthi inkomo yami iyazala, so that I would know ukuthi iyakhula umcebo wami la. And you are saying ukuthi as Kloophas, that's what you do on daily basis to inform me of progress that takes place on my investment. Yeah, ngiyafuna ukuthi masibike uthengisa emakethe sibheke ukuthi lolu hlelo salolu lesikhathi esingakanani luhambele nalokuthi how credible it is, because I know ukuthi the viewer at home would want to know ukuthi how credible is this program for them to be able to invest, because I believe, Mr. Tritan, if you are going to be putting your money on anything, you want to know the credibility of that investment. But hold that thought, we're going to go to an outbreak, and then when we come back, I'll be giving you an opportunity to expand on that question. KZN News Talk mangabe sibuya sobe singena kuthi isigaba sesibili salohlelo lakho iKZN News Talk oyibukelayo. Asibingelele mbukeli sikwamukele kusoke isigaba sesibili saloke nje uhlelo lethu iKZN News Talk oyibukelayo, kanti ke kuloko uhlelo lethu namhlanje sinayo ke noma ke sinayo ke interview naye ke Mr. Tritan Zulu ovela kuyona ke inkampani yazwa ukuthi iKloophas Farming no investor kuyona ke lenkampani ekhuluma ke ngawo ke umkhakha wokufuya kakhulu njengoba ke udlala indima enkulu ekufukuleni ke umnotho weZaseningizimu Afrika, nakuba kubonakala ke kusayingqinamba enkulu yokuthi ke abantu bangene kulo mkhakha kakhulu kanjengoba abanye bekholelwa ukuthi kuyabiza kakhulu ukungena kona ke lo mkhakha. Lenkampani ithi kulula kakhulu ukuthi ke ungene ube yena ke investor ngaphansi kwayo ke inkampani yayo okuyona ke iKloophas Farming. And to understand this, on the show we are in conversation with Mr. Tritan, who is also an investor at Kloophas Farming. Ngiyafuna ukuthi sibheke la Mr. Tritan ukuthi uhlelo lesikhathi esingakanani lukhona, because I know ukuthi umbukele ekhaya would want to know ukuthi sekunesikhathi esingakanani lolu hlelo lukhona.
2021.
21 years.
2020. No, 2021.
Oh, okay. All right.
Because
Okay.
from the information yakhona banayo, you can even Google it yourself. But only 2021. But according to what they were saying, they have been there before, but they ended up coming together as an organization, eco-farming space, and then they call themselves Kloophas Farmers Group. So singabathola ke and then ngangena ke and singangena ke nga-register ke, and then what I did some investigation. Nambe ngangisaba ngizoba honest. I was like I was scared myself too. Nkosi yami ngifaka 55,000 what if ngizoluza whatsoever. Nami yabo nje ngafaka, and then I had the hope because ngobani inabelungu kahle kahle i-program yabelungu. I'm not being ningangizwi kabi babukeli be 1KZN TV. I-program inabelungu phakathi, so yonke into yabo ihamba ngendlela. So you see lelinye ibala sometimes we but bona shembona belungu hawo kuyabeqondile.
Ufuna ukubheka ukuthi uma ngabe ubheka uthando labantu kakhulukazi mhlambe bebalila insundu abakhona kulomkhakha lingakanani, looking at the people that you engage with or you work with on the ground on daily basis, particularly on stock or on livestock farming?
Bakhona abantu abamnyama, bakhona namandiya nabelungu.
Do you feel there's still a big need to get more black people in specific on this sector?
Yes, there's still a need, especially abantu abamnyama nabo sibadinga ukungena, and especially laba abathanda farming. Yabo laba abathanda farming, abafuna ukungena ku-farming bangangena bekhululekile ngoba lana kwa-Clopas Farmers Group I know I will advise it's going to be good ukuthi bona bangene ukuthi bona bangene ba-invest.
Ngiyafuna ukuthi ugcizelele la Mr. Chitani ukuthi you spoke about imali encane kakhulu ukuthi njengoba abantu benomqondo ukuthi ukungena ukwazi kuba umfuyi particularly weinkomo njalo izinto ezifuya izilwane kuyabiza kakhulu. Nithi nina la ngaphansi kwenkampani Clopas Farming nikwenza kube lula kakhulu lokho ukuthi umuntu akwazi ukungena kulomkhakha. Ngiyafuna ukuthi kunikeze nje leli thuba lokuthi ukuchaza ukuthi nikwenza kanjani ukuthi kube lula. You did mention ukuthi awudingi ukuthi uzube nezimbulu zemali. You can start with imali encane kakhulu. I want to give you this opportunity to explain that in detail for the viewer.
Mina ngikuyikhulumela mina singaqala ngo-1.5.
1,500.
Is 1,500.
Okay.
And then ngaqala ngo-1,500 isi ngalinda, and then ngawuthola uba o-3K or 3,000. And then after 2 months.
Uyenza kanjani imali Mr. Chitani? Explain it to us so that sizokwazi ukuthi kube practical.
In fact, in fact bona what they do, uyafika uthenga isilwane.
Yiziphi naziphilwane ezikhona umuntu akwazi ukuthi angaphonsa imali yakhe kuzona ezikhona? You did mention ama buffalo.
Okay, kunama game kudu. Okay, khona and then kunama nguni cow. And then khona and then khona game buffalo, and then nama mega sheep. Izilwane ezikhona, and then lezi engaphezulu umuntu sengangena ke manje ku website yabo, and then aboneke, and then adecide ukuthi mefuna isilwane lesi esiphezulu esibizayo esenza imali enkulu ukudlula lezi izilwane, lo muntu angakhona ke ungena ke, and then I-investe ke lapho ke kube right.
Yeah, zikhona mhlambe ikhathi la encourage khona kakhulu ukuthi mhlambe ngalezi ikhathi mhlambe ikona ku best suitable for a person to come in as an investor, noma ngabe nini
ungangena noma yinini, ungangena
ukuthi kade sibhekene ne-outbreak ye-foot and mouth ebihlasela izilwane. Ngiyafuna ukubheka ukuthi uma ngabe sizobheka kunina kunikhathaze kangakanani lokhu, nanokuthi kube le ne-effect kunina as Clopas Farming, noma lokho akubange yona mthelela kunini?
Okay, ezinye izilwane ama-issues, but since ama-farms abo khona odokotela abakhona that are just taking care of lezi izilwane, ziyajovwa, yanakekelwa, they're taking care of them on daily basis, ziyacheckwa, because akithi phela bona they're buying and selling ma-auctions, into kanjalo. Sibayibheke sibayinakekela ukwenzela ukuthi zingaguli or whatsoever.
uhlelo luhle kakhulu enaleso semaphethelweni nalo nje uhlelo lethu mthethithane ngiyafuna ukuthi utshela ababukeli bethu ukuthi kulabo abafuna ukuthi bathole more information njengoba usuvezile ukuthi as small as 1.5 you were able to start ukuthi ube investor under Eclopers Farming. Benze njani ukuze bathole more information? You did mention in the first segment of the show that there is a website that they can go to. Just to give you this opportunity to explain more on that one.
Abantu, they can go to www.clopersfarmers.
Okay.
Clopersfarmers.farm. Bangen www.clopers.farm. Bangen, and then from there is could be right.
Okay.
And then they can be able to get your information about thing.
Ikhona inamba bakwazi ukushayela mhlawumbe bathole more information kuyona noma it's just a website only?
Okay, see, okay, equally number that I'll give them. Okay, okay, it's okay, number 8078 514 94 87.
Asibonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho siphesona kwiKZN News Talk kube intokozo enkulu ukuthi sikhulume nawe ikakhulukazi ngawo umkhakha obalekile kakhulu nobonakalisa ingqinamba kubantu abaningi ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bangene kuona njengoba inkampani nithi nikwenza kube lula lokho ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukungena kulo mkhakha. Sibonge kakhulu.
Okay, I know. Kubonga mina. Ayisale kahle.
Lalelo KZN News Talk sesifinyelele konaka amaphethelo aluhlele bese sithulela lona usuku namhlanje. Usimangele wakatshiro ngihamba nalo lonke ithimba leKZN News Talk asifune futhi ehlangane ngokuzayo.